We live in a world of pure math, a world where there are angles everywhere we go, a world where time ticks by as we slowly age. Or we can choose to live in this world without explanation, or we can define it. Okay, so for problem number 24, you're asked to find RQ. And this is RQ right here. Now they give you the side QT, which is 10. Now there's a postulate that allows you to use, that explains that once one side is the same, like the one of the other sides have to be the same. So through that postulate, you can assume that RQ is 10. So for number 24, RQ would have to be 10. There you go. Okay, so for problem number 25, it's asking for SA. So this right here would be SA. Now through that same theorem that allowed us to find RQ, because this is 10, this has to be 10, so this is 7.5, so through that same theorem, this would have to be 7.5, and because P is equidistant, this would have to be 7.5, so the total of SA will have to be 7.5 plus 7.5, which will be 15, so this 15 will be the total, so the answer would be SA equals 15, and that would be it. Okay, so for problem number 26, you're asked to find the perimeter of PQR. So PQR is right here. PQR, it's a triangle within the triangle, and you're given two sides already, or we know two sides. We know this is 10 because this is 10, and 7.5 is given. Now they also give us that SR and RT. So SR is 9, RT is 16. So the total of those would be 25. And the reason you actually need to use this is because this is actually the same distance as this, and this is half of 25 in a way. So this would actually be half of 25, and excuse me. So half of 25 would be 12.5. So this side itself would actually be, PQ would be 12.5. And, okay, sorry about that, the camera cut it off. So yeah, you add up the sides. And so 12.5, 7.5, and then 10. So 12.5 plus 7.5, that would be, 20 plus 10, 30. So the perimeter would be 30. So triangle PQR equals 30. And that would be your answer. So for problem number 27, you're asked to find the perimeter of triangle SAT. And SAT is the bigger triangle out here. So we have an understanding. So we know that this and this are equidistant. We know that this would have to be this. So we have all the sides, and all we have to do now is add them. So 9 plus 16 is 25. This is 20. 7 would be 15. And you add up all the sides. Four, 5, 6. So you can tell that this triangle is twice as big as the triangle inside. So triangle SAT equals 60. And that's your answer for the perimeter. So farmer wants to know how much he can fully store on his in his ranch. Now you're given that you can put 23 cows per what do you call it? You can put 10. I'm sorry. You can put 10 cows every 23 meters. So every 23 meters, you can put 10 cows. So what you want to do first is, and you're also given that you want to do the total, and you're given that the total thing is twice as big as the smaller thing in the middle. So 2x. And so let's solve. So you're given you're given these numbers. We know this is 5, and we know this is 10. So you add it, and that ends up to 23. So you can tell there's 10 cows here, and because this is twice as big, that would have to be 20. So he has a total of 20 cows. 20 cows, and that would be your answer. There you go. That's a real life example.